This is our segment 6, continuation of segment 5. Under ng statistics, merong box plots, visualizing box plots with matplotlib. Comparison of ID bootstrap resampling across 5 distributions. Yan yung distribution. Merong normal, log normal, treatment, widths of the caps, kinostomize. Under statistics, box plot versus violin plot comparison. Codes violin plot, box plot, references. Box plot drawer function. Codes, different elements, customization of different elements. Plot a confidence ellipse of a two-dimensional dataset. The plotting function itself. Yung table contents naman ng isang page ay nandito sa pinakagilid. So makikita na natin. Positive correlation, negative correlation, weak correlation. Different standard deviations. Using keyword arguments. Violin plot customization. Hugis ng violin. Default violin plot, customized violin plot. Yan yung sample name. Error bar function. Ayan, error bar function illustration. Different ways of specifying error bars. May variable symmetric error, variable asymmetric error. Including upper and lower limits in error bars. Error bar upper and lower limits. Creating boxes from error bars using patch collection. Hexagonal bin plot. Hexagon binning with a log color scale. Histograms. Yan, plotting histograms. The illustration or the plot of histograms. Histograms. Plotting cumulative distributions. Cumulative distributions. May legend line. This blue line means CDF. Yung horizontal line, cumulative or rectangular horizontal line. Cumulative histogram. Dotted hyphenated line, Curie. Annual rainfall in millimeters, cumulative distribution. Some features of the histogram function. Yung codes, histogram and normal distribution sample. Probability density, then yung value. Demo of the histogram functions, different his type settings. So, yung isa may shade, yung isa walang shade, others with shades. Yan. Histogram with step curve that has a color fill, step curve with no fill, custom with unequal bin width, with stacked bars, yung iba, stack bars. The histogram is function with multiple data sets. Bars with legend, stacked bar, stacked step and fill, different sample sizes. Producing multiple histograms side by side. datasets. Time series histogram. This demonstrates how to efficiently visualize large numbers of time series in a way that the hidden substructured and other patterns will potentially reveal. Yan. Violin plot basics. Violin plotting. So after the different illustrations under statistics, we'll go to pie and polar charts. These are the examples, some of the examples of the pie and polar charts. Pie charts. Pie charts. We have level slices, auto level slices, color slices, hatch slices, swap level, and auto pocked text positions. Controlling the size, modifying the shadow. Next, bar of pie. Age of approvers. References. And a bar of pie chart where the first slice of the pie is exploded into a pie chart. Yung isang slice ng ating pie chart ay ginawang yung isang slice ng ating pie ay ginawang bar chart. Yan, yung isang slice. Bar of pie. Nested pie charts. Pie plot. Merong, aside sa nested pie chart, merong left ventricle bullseye example. Yan, bullseye. Kinakikitaan ito ng 17 segment model for the left ventricle recommended by the American Heart Association. Ayan. Ayan. Nested pie charts leveling a pie and a donut. Now it's time for the donut. Bar chart on a polar axis. Polar plot. Demo of a line plot on a polar axis. A spiral called polar plot. Error bar rendering on polar axis. Pretty polar error bars. Overlapping theta error bars. Large radius error bars. Madaming polar axis or error bar rendering sa polar axis. Polar legend. Scatter plot on polar axis. The main difference with the previous plot is the configuration of the origin radius.